Today we are working on Excel Lesson 5, the second lesson, Splitting Panes. So this is a lesson you should have open, and step 1 says select cell D7. So we're going to select cell D7 on the View tab, so the View tab right here. In the Window group, click Split. So here's your Window group. We're going to click Split. Drag the horizontal split bar down so that it is in the middle of the screen. So we'll drag that down. Use the vertical scroll bar in the upper right pane to scroll down the worksheet. So we're going to click right here and we're going to scroll down. Notice how the upper two panes scroll down together. It's talking about, because you have 4 panes, there's a pane here, a pane here, pane here, pane here. When you scroll here, these top two are scrolling down together. Drag the horizontal bar in the bottom left and bottom right panes to observe how the window change. Notice the 2 panes scroll. So it's telling you how to scroll with these. Drag the scroll bar so that H10 is visible in the middle of each of the 4 panes. So we're looking for H10. So I can see H10 in that one. I can see it in this one. Okay. So I can see it in all of those. So let's go to the next one. Select H10 in any of the panes. So I'm going to select this one. Type 9. To begin entering the value in H10, press Enter. On the View tab in the Window group, click Split to remove the split bars. And you can see that the change we made in that one, it went to all of them. So click Split, and that takes it back to the original one. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 2 green checks. So this completes splitting panes.